In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play itch.io games directly in your browser, step by step, so you can start playing quickly without needing any extra downloads or complicated setup. If you've ever found a game on itch.io and weren't sure how to launch it, this guide will make it super simple. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find the game you want to play, or open the game page if you already have the link. Itch.io has tons of different games, so take a moment to make sure you've opened the correct one. After the game page loads, scroll down until you reach the game section. On many itch.io pages, the playable version of the game is embedded right there in the page, so you usually do not need to install anything. Keep scrolling carefully until you find the area where the game is available to launch. Now look for the Run Game button. This is the key step, because clicking Run Game will start the browser version of the game. Once you see it, go ahead and click it. Depending on the game, you may need to wait a few seconds while it prepares the page and loads all the game files. While the game is loading, just be patient and let it finish. Some games are very lightweight and open almost instantly, while others may take a little longer depending on the size of the game and your internet speed. If it feels like nothing is happening right away, give it a moment before refreshing. Once the game loads, you can start playing directly in the browser. Use your keyboard, mouse, or touchscreen controls depending on the game you selected. The great thing about browser games on itch.io is that you can jump right in without installing extra software, which makes them fast and convenient. If the game does not start right away, double-check that you click the correct Run Game button and that the page finished loading fully. Sometimes browser games need a little extra time before they become interactive. Also, making sure your browser is up to date can help avoid loading issues. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, go to itch.io, search for your game, scroll to the game section, click Run Game, wait for it to load, and then play directly in the browser. It's a quick and easy way to enjoy itch.io games without downloading anything extra. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.